Good morning. I am Rashi Sandeep Chudipal. Today's date is 28/9/2021. Our today's video topic is inheritance and Java. So, in today's video, we are going to see inheritance, types of inheritance, and why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. So, we are going to see inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and the behaviors of a parent object. It is an important part of OOPS. OOPS is known for Object Oriented Programming System. Now, the idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create in new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent classes. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current classes also. Now, inheritance represents the is a relationship which also known as a parent-child relationships. Why use inheritance in Java? For method overloading, we can also say that so runtime polymorphism can be achieved, and for code reusability. The terms that we used in inheritance that are class, subclass, superclass, and reusability. Class means a class is a group of objects which have a common property. It is a template or a blueprint from which objects are created. Subclass means subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also derived class, extends classes, or a child classes. Superclass means uh, superclass means uh, a superclass is the class from where a subclasses inherits the features. It is also called as a base class or a parent class. Reusability, as the name specifies, reusability is the mechanism which facilitates to you to reuse the fields and the methods of the existing classes when you create a new class. You can use the same fields and methods already defined in the previous classes. Syntax for that is uh, class, subclass name, extends superclass name, and curly braces in that methods and fields. The extends keywords indicates the that you are making a new class that derives from an existing classes. The the meaning of extends is to increase the functionality. In the terminology of Java, a class which is inherited is called a parent or a superclass, and the new class is called child or the subclasses. And the types of inheritance, that is single level inheritance, multi level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and there are also two other inheritance, hybrid inheritance and multiple. But Java does not support multiple inheritance. Let us take first we will go with the single inheritance. Means when a class inherits from another class, it is known as an single inheritance. And multi-level inheritance means when there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as a multi-level inheritance. And hierarchical inheritance means when two or more class inherits into a single class is known as an hierarchical inheritance. And next, that is why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Consider a scenario: A, B, and C are three classes. The C class inherits A and B classes. If A and B classes have the same method and you call it from the child class object, there will be ambiguity to call the method of A and B classes. Since compile time errors are better than the runtime errors, Java renders compile time error if you inherit two classes. So whether you have same method or different, there will be compile time error. Okay. So in next we will going to see that when multiple inheritance is not supported in Java through classes. Okay, so we have seen this much of inheritance. Thank you.